Hello, folks, and welcome back to American Accent Official. Feel free to call me Oliver. In this video, we are running English phrasal verbs, and let's get into it. Sit through. Sit through. If you sit through, you stay. You stay until the end of something. Okay? In other words, you wait until something comes to an end. Alright? Example sentence. My dear friends, if you do watch my videos, if you sit through all, if you sit through my videos, I promise you, you will sound fluent in English. One more example sentence. This movie is boring. Is boring. So I'm not going to sit through it. Okay? I'm not going to sit through it. Alright? Let's talk about sit out. If you sit out, you do not participate. You do not take a part in physical activities like watching football games, playing football games, stuff like that, due to injury or tiredness. Example sentence. I play basketball game and I got injured. So I will sit out. I will sit out next 5 games. Okay? In other words, I will not take part in next 5 games. I will not play next 5 games. Alright? Do away with something. If you do away with something, it means you put an end to something, or you remove it, you stop using it. Okay? Example sentence. My bed is very old, so I have to do away with it. I have to replace it. I have to remove it, to take it out of my room. Okay? One more example sentence. If you want to be a true Christian, you need to do away with the fornication, with drugs. You need to do away with the drugs. You need to do away with all immoralities. Right? You need to stop bad habits if you want to be a true Christian. You need to do away with all those things I said. Alright? Thank you very much for your time. Keep watching my videos, because if you sit through my videos, I hope your English will grow by leaps and bounds. Will grow very quickly. Alright. Thank you very much for your time. See you next time.